Good morning. In this session, we are going to see about CAD standards from the subject Computer Aided Design and Manufacturing. First topic is Purpose of CAD Standard. The transfer of data between dissimilar CAD/CAM system must embrace the complete description of product stored in its database. There are four types of modeling data make up this description. First one is shape data, non-shape data, design data and manufacturing data. In the shape data, it consists of geometrical and topological data. In the non-shape data, it includes a shaded image and the measuring units of the database. And the design data, the FEA and engineering analysis. The manufacturing data includes a tolerance and bill of materials. There are types of translators. First one is direct translator. It entails the translating the modeling data directly from one native format to another format. Direct translator converts data directly in one step. Indirect translator. It converts the modeling data directly from one native format to neutral format that all CAD/CAM system can interpret and understand. Each translating system has its own pair of translator to the translate data and form from the neutral format. The organization of typical CAD/CAM structure with graphic standards. First one is application data, an application program, graphic system, and application data input and output devices. The organization of typical CAD/CAM structure with graphic standard. First one is there is a application data, application program, and graphic system, and the next only the application data. Database management. The database is a collection of data at a single location to be used by various people for different applications. Objectives of database. It provides security, improves the accuracy and integrity of data. It shares the data among users. It reduces the cost of storage and retrieval of data. It incorporates the changes quickly and effectively. It eliminates the redundant data. The simplified database is application program and database management system and database. It is a layout of simplified database management system. The typical database system, it consists of application program and CPU and database management system and the database diskus. And the standard for computer graphics. There is a need of portability of geometric modeling among different hardware platforms. Where there is a situation to change drawing database among the software packages, there is a need of exchange graphic data between different computers. There is a need of requirement of graphic data exchange format and the steps, dips, etc. The classification of standard data. The graphic computing standards, data exchange data, and the communication standards. The graphics and computing standards. The aim of graphic standard is to allow the transfer of graphic data between two or more different companies which may have completely different CAD systems. To control all types of graphic devices such as plotters and display devices in consistent manner. To provide the complete range of graphics facilities in 2D including the interactive capabilities. To be small enough for variety of programs. The working of graphics data is the application data and next is application program and the graphic system and application data input and output devices. The application program, it gives the internal and external databases. Next, the graphic language bindings and the graphic meta files, device independent graphics and the non-graphical graphical illustrations, devices, etc. This is a overall structure of graphics status. The types of graphics standards. There are 5 types. First one is a graphic kernel system and the program hierarchical interactive graphics standard. Third one is core and the graphics kernel system 3D and the initial graphics standard specifications. There is a classification of graphics standard based on functions. First one is standard to the plot and drawn image on screens. Second is a standard storage and exchange images. The standard storage exchange image classified into three types. First one is CAD entities, second one is a graphics primitives, and the image bitmap. Graphics kernel system. It is a series of commands used for graphical operation. The number of elements that may be drawn in an image is known as graphic primitives. It is a layer model of graphic kernel system. It consists of application program and the application oriented layer and the language independent layer and the GKS in one system, and the other is operating system. It is classified into two types: another resources and graphical resources. The representation level of graphic standard. The graphic representation level gives a CAD entities and the graphic primitives and image bitmap, but in equivalent standard gives a CAD data exchange, device independent per picture description, and bitmap standards. Features of graphics kernel system. It is an independent device, so it can work with all types of input and output devices. Graphic functions are defined for both 2D and 3D. It includes all type of display elements. It supports picture data in two routines. It defines an international coordinate system called normalized device coordinates. The basic set of primitives in GKS are polyline. It is used to draw a multi-element line, and the polymarker it is used to draw points. Fill area for the raster fill operations, and the text is for word. And the polyline it has a NXY. The polymarker is a NXY, and the fill area is a NXY, and the text is NXY testing string, where N is a number of data points, and X is a single, and Y is an array of X coordinates, and Y is a single, and Y is an array of Y coordinates. Testing string is a text plot X. Example, if X is equal to 2, 5 and 3.52 and Y is equal to 2, 2, 5.2, then the polyline is 4xy. The triangle vertices at x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 2, and x2 is 5 and y2 is 2, x3 is 0.5 and y3 is 5. Thank you.